catch this spin. Here we go again.
It's your name for the engineer. It's just the bloody person that fixes the bearing.
Oh, I know it is, because I had a washer similar to this. Used to do anyway.
Maybe that there's something inside it.
It's not just the bearings that have gone, just. Yeah. This one here, our Auntie Hillary's got it. And Logic. This is the same racket my dream one was making that he had in the kitchen when Pete couldn't fix it. So I know what it is. Before we leave, just remind me to write the model number down for when I stick it on mine, when I put it on Instagram. Did you see me dashing straight to it when we walked in, because I heard him say he put it on? That's the bearings moving about, because the spider's gone.